let's see. Halkaana waxaad arkaysaa biyo kulula. Once upon a time aan aadnay in between those mountains, if you can see. But this time we're headed to the seaside.
halkii madax lagu sameeyay ahaan jirtay bari bay ahaan jirtay marka ma shaqaysan laakiin laashashka lagu sameeyay qiimaha xitaa waan weydiiyay
Berbera beach adventures. Yeah, joogay baa bilowday. Need directions. So we're trying to find some salt flats, is what they said, mel cusbo lagu sameeyo, right there on our ocean front. Can you imagine? There's natural resources everywhere. We just need to open our eyes. And someone actually did. She asked for a piece of this land so that she could start her local salt company. How dope is that? Okay, stand by. We're gonna fly the drone and try to find this place. The drone is not just for footage, yeah, it's for GPS, this is how I find most of our adventures. So haddana waxaan maraynaa magaalada Berbera barigeeda. Waxaan rabnaa inaan helno meel cusbo lagu sameeyo oo xeebta fadhida. Cusbada xeebta fadhida ka waran. Dhulkeena nimca fadhida. So hadda waa yara luno arijil baa halka naga muuqda. Marka waan heli doonaa meeshii drone-kiina waa kicinaynaa insha Allah. Waa idin tusinaa.
I'm convinced by now that every luxurious destination in Somaliland always starts with a little bit of board and garanwa. So yeah, we had to charge through a bunch, almost a kilometer worth of garanwa to find this amazing secluded beach off the coast of Berbera.
Not the first time. That's why you keep with white cars in Somaliland. Scratch kalama arkay, you know. Gari madow haduu maro. Finish. Look at this magic! Oh my gosh! Private island, Nia. Look. We are nowhere near the main entrance of Batalala. Nowhere near. And this whole section is all to ourselves. And it's clean, Mom. La kulan ka jirta meesha kalluumaysta. 1, 2, 3. They're all coming to meet up here. We left Mansour way back there. This is new private island. Okay, yeah. Boom. If you're wondering why I keep looking around and checking over my shoulder, is because we had a brief spotting of a dolphin and I'm just dying to catch it on camera for you guys. Unfortunately, I was not so lucky to share that with you, but you can just imagine that there's dolphins hopping around this beautiful secluded area. But more exciting than that, we continued our adventure and we tried to find the entrance towards the salt mining factory. But to our surprise, we found something even more exciting. Whoa! Not just Djibouti that got the salt, we do too. We literally just came out of the ocean, wet clothes and everything. And besides this being totally deserted, it is still such a cool spot. So basically, This is where a little salt mine was created.
So that long pipe funnels the water through from the ocean into these flatbeds.
So you can see here, these are the remnants of where they would dry and process the salt. I think there's still potential, you know. Even if hadu wax beri hore aha, wali wax tirigelin u baahan. Wait. They are even making these boats as we see them here. That's cool. So it may not be a salt flat anymore, but it's definitely a factory for boat making. It's the most impressive and incredibly inspiring to see people in our land making use of their own hands and talent, opposed to doing the opposite, which is the easy route and importing everything. There was a time before imports, so it's nice to see that people are still using this handicraft. And come on, making a boat, that's not an easy job. I gotta give it props to our people.
It's supposed to be a soul mine. halkii madax lagu sameeyay ahaan jirtay bari bay ahaan jirtay imka ma shaqaysan laakiin laashashka lagu sameeyay qiimaha xitaa waa weyn hay 20,000 laashkii
wow
calankagu waahibo sharafkugu hagoogane ciidadu waa hodan aad ku haqabeeshe waa haleeladiino horweyn ku irmaano aad ku hiranayse.
Turns out it was not a salt flat like I was saying. It's even cooler. They make boats.
haybad waxaad ku leedahay dhulkaaga hooyo wana lama huraane hagarli wax ugu qabo wana lama huraane hagarli wax ugu qabo haybad waxaad ku leedahay dhulkaaga hooyo haybad waxaad